Drew here with River Pools, and today we're going to be going through the entire catalog of footage from a fiberglass pool install that we completed last year. This is a River Pools fiberglass in-ground pool. It's the M series. It is a 12-foot by 30-foot pool, so this is the M30 model. And we're going to be going through all of my footage from start to finish, complete, full install. Let's get to it. So we are getting started off this pool season with an M30 model. So day one, we're getting the equipment set over to the job, and we are gonna pre-plumb this beauty right here. So we have all of the holes drilled into the side of the pool. Our next step is to get all of our fittings set up. Skimmer's going on that side of the pool. Got some returns in the stairs, and we're gonna start putting pipe on the side of the pool. All right, all of our return fittings are in. Now we just got to put the pipe on the outside of the pool. All right, the pool is pre-plumbed, cleaned, and ready for transport.
Today's a very exciting day for this M30 project because today we are digging the hole for the pool and setting it in the ground. So we are here at the job site. We're laying out the pool right now. Let's get started. All right, so our hole is dug. We're putting in the base, and the crane is getting the pool set up. M30, day number 3. It's raining. So luckily we only have a small list of stuff to get done today, so we won't get completely rained out. Today we're going to be backfilling the pool. We're going to be filling it with water, running our plumbing trench, and setting up our plumbing pad. So hopefully we don't get too rained out. Welcome back to the M30 Pool Project. We're going to start today where we left off last time when we got rained out. We're going to backfill the trench, fill the trench full of plumbing, run that over to our plumbing pad, and start building the pad. So, I'm here at our M30 job that we're currently working on. We have our pool right here, and I want you to see this wall right behind me. And this wall is bowing out due to the weight of the water. We use 3/4 crushed clean rock as our backfill and base material. A lot of companies will use sand. Now, we don't think that sand is actually a good base material for your pool.
for a couple of reasons. We use this 3/4 crushed clean rock because it acts as a good drain for water while retaining its structural integrity as a base. When sand gets wet, it just becomes flow. It becomes watery. And when we backfill around the pool, we actually will straighten this wall perfectly with the weight of the water and the weight of the backfill rock pushing against one another to create equal strength. So today, we're gonna straighten out this wall, backfill this pool, and it'll be ready for the patio. A retaining wall had to be built before we could continue backfilling, and now that that's done, we're gonna backfill the pool, get the water the rest of the way up, turn the pad on, and get it ready for its locking ring, and thus patio construction. All right, so we have backfilled around the pool. We have straightened this wall over here, and we are starting to form up for the locking ring. We'll come back, finish the locking ring, pour the tanning ledge and the locking ring itself, and then this pool is getting patio pavers. So we are here at the M30 pool. We are getting ready to pour concrete around the locking ring and under the tanning ledge for the pool. So we finished forming up yesterday. The locking ring goes all the way around the pool, and over there we're actually adding a pad for our slide feature for this pool. So flow fill is going to go under the tanning ledge right there, and then later today, concrete for around the pool. Alright, so we are back here at our M30 pool. This is the first pool of the year, and the pavers have been complete. The retaining wall's all done. Auto cover's been put on. Look at this beauty right here. But we have a purpose of being here today. We are going to install the slide that's here for this pool. But look at this beautiful patio. So we've got our slide set up in the trailer right now. We're gonna bring it down, piece it together, mount it, and get things going.